Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mehadi Arif's Therapeutic English Mate. I'm Mehadi Arif, the founder and director of Mate. And here, I have invited one of my students, and he is none but Adi. So guys, today I'm gonna share a very nice form of learning, and it is nothing but sentence making patterns. And in this episode, I will make some questions to Adib. Adib, in our last class we talked about sentence making patterns, and I do hope that you have already gone through it very nicely, right?
Yes, I read it.
Yes. So I'm going to ask you some questions in Bangla, and you will have to answer it in English.
I'll try my best.
Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. So let us start. Ami jai.
I go.
Ami jai na.
I don't go.
Ami jacchi.
I'm going.
Ami jacchi na.
I'm not going.
Ami giyechi.
I went.
Ami jaini.
I didn't go.
Ami jaitesilam.
I was going.
Ami jaitesilam na.
I wasn't going.
Ami jabu.
I will go.
Ami jabu na.
I won't go.
Ami jete thakbo.
I will be going.
Ami jete thakbo na.
I want to be going.
Ami jete pari.
I can't go.
Ami jete pari na.
I can't go.
Ami jete partam.
I could go.
Ami jete partam na.
I couldn't go.
Ami jeteo pari.
I may go.
আমি যেতে নাও পারি।
I may not go.
আমি সম্ভবত যাচ্ছি।
I may be going.
আমি সম্ভবত যাচ্ছি না।
I may not be going.
আমি সম্ভবত গিয়েছি।
I may have gone.
Thank you very much, Adib, and you have already done very well. And try your level best for better performance.
Yes, thank you.
Welcome. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed a lot. And if you actually enjoy it, just like, comment, and share it. And wait for the next videos. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.